Hello guys, channel Asu Vlogs. Today in this video I am going to tell you about sound modification of NS bike. It's 4th February 2021 and now we are at Tribhuvan University, which is located at Tripur. Just yesterday I had modified my NS 160 sound. It's sounding like superbike sound, as you can feel it. It's evening time and everybody are busy for playing basketball, evening jogging. It is dry season, so roads are full of dust. This is university area. Now I want to tell you guys about sound modification. How is the audio quality? I don't know because I am not using my mic for recording audio. It's only the action camera mic which is recording the audio. So I want to say sorry if my audio has gone wrong. Oh my god, kids were riding cycle. Let's go down. It is a cheap sound modification. This type of sound modification can be done at only rupees 100, and it can be done by going to the Teku. At first you should go to the Teku area, and after reaching there you can see Bajaj showroom, and there is one small road inside Bajaj showroom, and you can go through that road. You can go straight down to the one small river, and near small river and there is the place where you can do sound modification. After reaching there, near the river, you can ask for others help by saying where we can modify the sound. Then they will help you, and you can finally modify your sound, and it does not take any time. I think only 5 minutes. In only 5 minutes the sound modification can be done, and it sounds so amazing, but it's like risky because in Nepal sound modification is not allowed. It is prohibited by law. So our traffic police officers are against this modification. So you should be very careful while riding your bike near the traffic officers. This is to you guys. Every girls are busy in having chatpati and pani puri. Some persons are running here and there. Some are laughing, just smiling and walking. Today there was Nepal Bandha in Nepal. This Prachanda and Madhav Nepal group has declared Nepal Bandha, but the effect of Nepal Bandha was like little bit only. We should not go that side too much because there are cops. Everybody are looking towards my bike because of sound modification. Public reaction is just wow. Because it sounds amazing. So everybody are looking towards me. I am feeling very shy. I don't know how is this sound in this camera sound. After going to the home, then only I can look video and only I can see how is the quality. But the bike sound is too much good. It feels same as like super bike. This is winter season. It's too much cold. I am wearing jacket and some socks. Oh my god, the road is so dusty. Oh. You should be very careful while riding in this type of road, guys. There is building construction of TU, so the road has been too much dirty and dusty. In the rainy season, it will be too much slippery. The boy is sitting. Oh my god, my grandpa walking. Doggy. We should horn in this type of area because it is risky. Our one down has been finished and I came to home, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys have liked it. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Oh my god. Let's go. पसल क्लोज बन्द मान्छे माथि जानु भएको छ मान्छे once I will go near the silencer pipe and make you guys listen the sound.